Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog. Over the past few weeks, I have been spending a lot of time vacuuming with the Roborock H6 Adapt stick vacuum. I love a good stick vacuum. I think that this type of vacuum makes cleaning so easy. It hangs on your wall to charge. It has a battery that threads through into the wall mount so that it's always charging. It's a very lightweight vacuum cleaner. The main body of the vacuum only weighs 1.4 kilograms. But even when you add the stick and the power head attachment to the base of the vacuum, it's still extremely light. There are a few things I love about this vacuum. The first is the OLED screen. If you take a look at that screen, it's very clear, easy to read, and all of your options for the vacuum are available right on it. The button I'm pressing will switch between different modes on the vacuum, so if you'd like to go into max mode, you just have to tap the button. The Roborock H6 also has a 5-stage filtration system. So the filters on this vacuum cleaner, there's filters in the front and the back, and they filter out 99.97% of particles in your air as small as 0.3 microns. There are a few things at work here. First of all, I have the trigger lock on. So there's a button on the side of the Roborock H6 Adapt, and all you have to do is press it and you have continuous power. You don't have to pull the trigger, it will keep on going. You can see right on the screen that the trigger lock is pulled and it will go off the screen. You can see the lock will go off when it's not. That's the lock button right there on the side. Roborock H6 Adapt has 150 watts of suction power, but it's a pretty quiet vacuum. Take a listen. As I transition from the floor to the carpet, the Roborock H6 Adapt kicked in what's called carpet boost. So that will increase max suction automatically. You don't have to press the button or anything. It will automatically kick in for max suction when it encounters carpet. And as soon as it's off the carpet, it will stop max suction and it will go back to echo mode. This is a look at the flex tube that's included with the Roborock H6. You would use this to get into hard to reach areas that would require a bendable tube. I found that it was easiest to use it not like this obviously, but placing it down on the floor, tapping trigger lock so you have continuous suction, and using it for cracks and crevices that you would normally have a hard time getting to. So I just used it to clean along my baseboards. Another great attachment that comes with the Roborock H6 is the mini motorized power head. You can use that for cleaning cars and it is amazing. It's very powerful. Carpet boost will kick in here too when you're using the mini motorized power head, and so your battery life will decrease. You should get approximately 90 minutes of cleaning in echo mode and approximately 10 minutes in constant max mode. I never ran the battery dry once because I always would clean for about 20 minutes and then I would hang it back up and it would reach a full charge. And it takes about 4 hours to go from 0 to a full charge. But truly, this vacuum cleaner is great to clean the car because it's so lightweight. I mentioned before, the main body of the vacuum cleaner is only 1.4 kilograms, so even adding the mini motorized tool doesn't add very much weight. It's still very easy to carry around. When you're done cleaning, you can hang everything up, including all of the attachments, and charge the battery on the included wall dock. And can I just say too how great this vacuum cleaner looks. There is just something about having a candy apple red vacuum cleaner that I really, really like. So it's easy on the eyes and it doesn't look bad on the wall either. That's it for my look at the Roborock H6 Adapt Stick Vacuum Cleaner. I can't find any downsides to this vacuum cleaner. It has great suction, it's very lightweight, it's very easy to use, and it has multi-functions, so you can go from the car to the stairs to the rafters and clean everything. It doesn't hurt that it's candy apple red either. I really love how it looks. You can see my full written review on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.